Hi guys, welcome to Phone Tech. Today we will compare Nokia 2.2 and Redmi 7. Let's start. First talk about the front camera. Nokia 2.2 comes with a 5 megapixel front camera and Redmi 7 comes with a 8 megapixel front camera. Let's talk about the display. Nokia 2.2 has a 5.7 HD plus IPS LCD display and Redmi 7 has a 6.2 inch HD plus IPS display. Next, talk about the RAM and storage. Nokia 2.2 has a 2 option in RAM, 2GB and 3GB, but other side you will get a 3 option, 2GB, 3GB and 4GB. And talk about the storage. Nokia 2.2 has a 2 option in storage, 16 and 32GB, and other side you will get a 3 option in storage, 16 and 32 and 64GB. Now give a look on rear camera. Nokia 2.2 has a single rear camera 13 megapixel, but other side Redmi 7 has a dual rear camera 12 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. If I talk about the performance, Nokia 2.2 has a 2 GHz quad core processor with MediaTek Helio 822 chipset, and other side Redmi 7 has a 1.8 GHz octa core processor Snapdragon 632 chipset. Now guys, I'm gonna talk about some other specs. Both smartphone comes with the Android 9 OS, and both smartphone has a dual SIM option. And Nokia 2.2 has a PowerVRG 8320 GPU, and other side Redmi 7 has a Adreno 506 GPU. And talk about the fingerprint sensor. In Nokia 2.2 has no fingerprint sensor, but Redmi 7 has a fingerprint sensor on the back. And talk about the battery. Nokia 2.2 comes with a 3000 mAh non-removable battery, and Redmi 7 has a 4000 mAh battery with fast battery charging. Let's talk about the price. Nokia 2.2 average price is 7,000 in India rupees and 100 in US dollar, and Redmi 7 average price is 8,000 in India rupees and 120 in US dollar. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos update.